airport and I'm going to Latin America, yes. I'm flying from here to Istanbul, it's just 40 minutes. And then I'm gonna take direct flight to Santiago, which is the longest flight in my life. Airport in Izmir is quite small and comfortable. I have two laptops with me, which is making my life very difficult because they are heavy. This is my newly bought pillow. So one is here and one's here in the pool. Oh my god, it's still 1 hour until our flight, but they already start the boarding. Good morning, my dear followers. I'm in Chile, in Viña del Mar, and today we're gonna explore this beautiful area by bicycle. Let's go together. This is the bike I rented in the hotel. It's pretty good. I'm surprised. Usually in the hotels they are not so comfy. This is the embankment. I'm going to that rocks. It's very spectacular, the waves and the ocean. Look. Also, there are not many people here because it's Wednesday. I can enjoy all this way by myself. Of course, it's super windy and kind of cold. The name of this statue, El Pensador, which is thinker, probably overthinker. Like me. Can you see this beauty? Wow! That's amazing. I'm still on the way. After the rocks, I decided to go to the nearest town, or maybe it's all the same town, Rinjaka. I'm living in Viña del Mar, and all the way is like this. They have really nice roads for the bikers. Very comfortable. With such amazing views. I can stay here all day. I don't need anything more. Probably this is my #1 activity for the rest of my holidays. I will rent a bike for 3 hours and go outside. I came to the beach Rinjaka. I put my bicycle like this. I will go all the way there. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to travel, to see the world, to ride this bicycle, to be on this beach and just feel this ocean breeze and explore everything around. They film some kind of movie there, and this poor guy is swimming in the ocean. It's freezing. I'm a little bit tired. I need a break. I need something to drink. Let me find good coffee in front of the sea. Especially in this area, they have very interesting houses. They're like ladders. What a cute small house. Paragliding. Talking about these houses. Probably it's due to some earthquakes. I think these buildings are super cute. There are many small dogs here. People love them more than cats. I found a cafe just in front of the beach. And I'm gonna eat avocado toast. I used to already made it.